Hi friends, it's Sam with Happily Hooked. Today we are doing our first Tip Friday. If you are a part of our members group, so any of our subscribers for the digital magazine, you can be a part of our members group over on Facebook. And every Tuesday, Shauna shares a tip for us. I'm going to extend off of that every Friday and do a little bit of a video to kind of explain it a bit more for you guys. So today will be our first one. Today's Tip Tuesday, we are going to learn about the front loop, the back loop, and the third loop of your stitches. I know a lot of times that'll be in a pattern and people are like, which one is it? So today I'm going to show you how to do that.
And make sure you guys do click on the like, subscribe, and the bell if you're on YouTube to make sure you get notifications.
Alright friends, I am here to show you how to find your back loop, front loop, and third loop. So this is just a regular half double crochet row. So for our back loop, we would yarn over like normal and just go into this back. You see where the V is here? It's going to be this loop here. So we would just go into the back loop and you would be able to continue that across in that back loop only. So that puts a nice little texture on the front of your row. Your front loop is going to be this one right here. So back loop, front loop. And then our third loop is this bar underneath. So you have your back loop, front loop, and then third loop. And the third loop is really neat because it pushes your stitches forward and creates almost a knit effect around the front of your design. They are kind of tricky to find sometimes, so I totally understand the struggle there. But when we flip it over, you can see how it pushed those stitches forward. Looks really pretty if you use single crochets as well, and gives it a little bit of texture. So close that part up and just go back through the other side. And see how it pushed those to the front. So this was our back loop stitches and this was our third loop stitches. So front loop, back loop, and third loop. And you can kind of see it better there. That bar right there is your third loop. But yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I will be able to explain it for you guys. I'm so excited that we got to do this part and I get to help you guys learn a bit more about your crochet.